గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. మరి ఈ రోజు నుండి మీకు వీడియో లెసన్స్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో వీడియో లెసన్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. 7th 8th 9th క్లాసుల వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఈరోజు లెసన్ మాత్రం కామన్గా ఉంటుంది. నంబర్ సిస్టమ్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఓకే, టుడే let us learn about number system. Actually we know there are so many numbers like 1 2 3 and etc. So let us know the kinds of numbers. Kinds of numbers. Kinds of numbers. There are some types of numbers. The first one is natural numbers. Already you know about these numbers. So let us remind once again. Natural numbers. This is one kind of set of numbers. Natural numbers means the numbers which we use to count the objects in our daily life. అంటే జనరల్గా మనం డైలీ లైఫ్లో కొన్ని ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ని కౌంట్ చేయడానికి ఉపయోగించే నంబర్స్. సో నేచురల్ నంబర్స్ ఆర్ ద నంబర్స్ used to count the objects. So for example, generally we used to start with 1 2 3 etc, but we don't use 0 to count some objects. So this is the natural numbers is represented by the letter n. N is equal to, this is the bracket generally we use to show the set of natural numbers. N is equal to, the first number is starting with 1 1 2 3 4 5 etc. In this set there is no 0 because we don't count the objects using 0. So natural numbers are represented like this. N is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and etc. We should write the points, dots in the last sequence, and at last we have to close the bracket with the flower bracket. These are called the flower brackets. And the second one is whole numbers. So actually generally though we don't use 0 to count the objects, but there is 0 is existing. We need 0 to show some operations of mathematics. So these, if ante 0 anedi 0, if 0 is added to natural numbers are starting with 1 2 3 etc. If we add 0, that is called the set of whole numbers. This set is represented by W. So W is equal to, that is capital W, not small one, capital W. First we have to start with 0, and then we have to add these numbers 1 2 3 4 5. We can write some more numbers 6 7 etc, but we cannot say the last number in this set. So these are infinite sets. We call these as infinite set because there is no ending for the numbers. And the third one is integers. Actually we generally use in our mathematical operations, we can subtract the smaller number from the greater number. 3 నుంచి 2 subtract చేయగలం, కానీ we cannot subtract 2 minus 3. Then we need these type of integers. So integers means actually 0 plus natural numbers, that is n, and the negative numbers. These are negative numbers. So 0, natural numbers on the right side of the 0 and negative numbers on the left side of the 0. So these are called integers. Actually we have to represent these integers by the first letter I, but in Greek language the integers are called as zeons. Therefore we represent this by Z. So Z is equal to, first we have to write in the middle of the set 0, and on the right side +1 positive numbers, +1 +2 +3 etc. There is no ending on the right side. Again, on the left side of the 0 we have to write negative numbers, -1, -2, -3 and etc. And the left side also there is no ending. There is no ending on the left side and the right side, but between of these numbers we start with 0. On the right side positive numbers, on the left side negative numbers. So this is called the set of integers. And again, fourth type, these are rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers. So all the numbers which are in the form of a fraction, all the fractions are called rational numbers. So this is represented by q. Q is equal to generally fractions we know so many fractions, 1/2, 2/3 or 3/4 or whatever it may be. There is some numerator and the denominator. So in that form we can generally say this as p/q. P is a numerator and q is a denominator. But there is one condition to represent these rational numbers. Q must not be equal to 0. We should not write 0 in the place of denominator. So these kind of numbers are rational numbers. Okay, the fifth kind of number system numbers are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means the numbers which cannot be expressed as the product of two equal numbers. Two equal numbers product గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయలేను అనమాట. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4 ఉందనుకోండి, దీన్ని 2 × 2 అని ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయగలం. సో √4 ఇంప్లైజ్, దాన్ని రూట్ అంటాం, స్క్వేర్ రూట్. √4 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అని చెప్తాం. అంటే 2ని 2 సార్లు తీసుకొని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది. అంటే √4ని 2గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయవచ్చు. అలాగే 9 కెన్ బి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ యాజ్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ 3 × 3. Therefore √9 is equal to, we can say as 3. But we cannot express these 5 as the product of two equal numbers. రెండు ఈక్వల్ నంబర్స్ ప్రోడక్ట్గా చేయలేము, ఎందుకంటే 1 × 1 1 వస్తుంది, 2 × 2 4, 3 × 3 9 అట్లా వస్తాయి. అలాగే we cannot express 7 as two equal the product of two equal numbers. Therefore √5, there is no particular value for √5 and √7. These kind of numbers are called as irrational numbers. So these irrational, the set of irrational numbers is represented by q dash. Sometimes this is represented by s also, but generally we used to represent these irrational numbers, we use q dash. So in this q dash there are the numbers which cannot be expressed, which cannot be expressed as the product of two equal numbers. We cannot find the square root. So 2 cannot be expressed as two product of two equal numbers. So √2, √3, √5, √7, etc. All these are called the irrational numbers. Sometimes we used to express with s also. So we already known about some kinds of numbers. The first one is natural numbers, and the second one is whole numbers, and the third one is integers, z, and the fourth one is rational numbers, and the last one is irrational numbers, q dash. Actually there are so many kinds of, some more kinds of numbers, but we don't need in our level. So natural numbers, the whole numbers, and integers and rational numbers, these are all one set. We can say these as one kind of set, and these irrational numbers are different from these four kinds of sets. So as a whole, if we write all these in a box, in one box, we say this as real numbers. ఈ మొత్తాన్ని కలిపి మనం రియల్ నంబర్స్ అని పిలుస్తాం. సో in the set of real numbers that is represented by R, we have to write, we have to express, or we have to add all these numbers n plus w plus z plus q and plus q dash. Actually, to say, to express in a diagram, we can show with these circles. So if we say this is n natural numbers, and this is w, and this is z, and this is the next one is q, but the q dash is a different set. This is not included in these four sets. So this is q dash. ఇవి సపరేట్గా ఉంటాయి. బట్ if we add all these numbers as a common set, that is called, so this box is called real numbers, that is represented by R. Okay, you practice all these kinds of sets and write in one paper and send me to my personal WhatsApp number. You have to write natural numbers, n is equal to 1 2 3 etc., w is equal to 0 1 2 3 etc. అలాగా అన్నీ చేసి డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్ రాసి ఒక షీట్ మీద నాకు పర్సనల్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్లో పెట్టండి. ఓకే, రేపు ఇంకొక లెసన్ తెలుసుకుందాం. బాయ్.